Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, I will discuss the remaining operations in the list. The next operation in the list is the element at. In an array, if we want an element, just we can call with the array name a of I with what that corresponding index. So similarly, if we store the list of elements in a list, if I want to know the particular element from a particular position, so we need to write a separate code for obtain it. So for that we are going to write the code element at. So the input for this is what? The position, from which you want the code, from which you want that element, that is a position. The position usually start with the 1 2 3. In an array, the position actually start with 0 1 2 3 like that. Since the list is a user defined type, so we may set that starting index. So we are going to set the starting index as what? 1 for the list. So position 1 means first element, position 2 means second element, position 3 means third element. Like that we are going to obtain. This is what since user defined list. You can also change that order. So you can set the 0 as the first position, 1 as the second position. Like that also what you can get it. So since we are mentioning at the position, so we are going to start from 1 2 3. So we are not going to use the term what index. In array we are using the index so that it starts from 0 1 2 3. So now we are position means 1 2 3 like that. Assume this list, 3 elements, it is having the 3 elements 5 10 and then 20. So the input is the position actually. So if I call a dot element at, and I have to pass an index, for example 2 if I give. So element at 2 means what? It need to return the element which is presented at what second. So it means that 10. So that 10 have to be what? Returned. But the return type is what? Boolean. It means that based on the index validation, whether it is a valid index or not, the operation may get all what? Failed. If the element at is given as what? Some beyond the size 4 or 5, there is no what? Valid index is given as an input. In that case, that operation will return what? False. So based on the success or failure, we are setting the return type as a Boolean. But I need the returned value, that is a 2 output I need to send from the element at. One is the bool, the success or failure. Another one is what element is presented at what? The given location. So that one input is that position and one output is the success or not. I need to set what? Another output. I need to set another output, that is comma. This is the input. I have to give another output, that is int ampersand x. So what element which is presented. So the position always be an integer. What is the type of the second argument is that based on the type of the list. What type of elements you are going to store in the list. So since we are using only the integer list, so it is an integer. And the ampersand represent what? The x is the output variable. So it is going to bring the value from what? This one. So we have to call 2 comma a dot element at 2 comma. I have to pass an variable what? X. Like this we have to what? Call this a dot element at. So 2 is the position and x is the output variable, so that after calling it will return the true and x will receive what? 10. So now let us start writing the code for it. In retrieving the values from the list, whether the delete end or delete front or the element at, the first thing is what? Whether that is possible, that is the index, input index is a valid one or not. That have to be what? Checked here. In the deletion we are checking what? The deletion is possible or not, like that we are checking. The list is an empty, we cannot delete. Similarly, if the position is invalid, we cannot execute this operation, element at. So what may be the position? The position must be what? For this list, this is the first one. So we are not setting any explicit position here. We need to set this in the diagram. It is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, like that. So the position for this given list, it may be a 1, 2 or what? 3. So 1, 2 or what? 3. It should not be a 0, that is a less than 1. Also what? It should not be a greater than what? The size. So the P should be in between 1, 2, what? 3. That we have to check. That is, if the position is less than 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, like that, if the user given, that is also what? Invalid. Similarly, beyond that size, 4, 5, 6, that also what? Invalid. So that we are going to check here. That is, if the position is less than 1, that is 0 or minus something, or okay, so or the position greater than its size. Greater than size means what? P is greater than the size is S. Okay, so then it is an invalid one. So P may be up to what? 3. Okay, so return false. X equal to minus 1 and then return false. So now what we have decided, the P is a valid index. So valid index means just I wanted to obtain the second, that is a what element which is there in the P, that how to what return. So again what we need to start searching. We need to what? Start searching. For start searching, always we will use what? A temporary variable T, that is node star T, and T equal to what? F. Okay, and then I need to start searching then while T not equal to null. I have to keep on incrementing that T equal to T of next. Okay, so that will get executed continuously. So while when pointing to the T, so we are not maintaining any separate index or the position for a node. Okay, but I need what element which is there in the second one. So while we are pointing the T to the first node, I need to use another variable, that is what? The for example I index. Okay, so index start from what? 1. Okay, so I pointing to what? First node. So I equal to what? 1 initially. When I equal to 1 means, that is a T pointing to the first node, by that time what? I equal to 1. Whenever we are moving the T from next node, the I is also what? Getting incremented. The I is what? Is pointing the index of the corresponding node, position of the corresponding node, Tth node. Okay, so here while initializing the T, we are going to use another variable, what? IA, that I equal to start from what? 1. It means when T pointing to F, I pointing to 1. So T is a first node, like that. Whenever we are incrementing the T, by the time the I is also get incremented. So that is what? I plus I plus 1, like that. So T also is get moving to the next node, I also get moving to the next node. In between we need to what? Check whether the T is the node which we want. With the node which we want means what? The corresponding what? The position of that index of the T need to be checked. Index of the T is nothing but what? That I. That we have to what? Check here. So here if that corresponding index T node index, that is IA, which is equivalent to what? P, that is a position that we want. Okay, so second node I want. Now second node means what? This one. So then this node I need, so I have to what? Write the code to apply that node. Okay, so in that case what is happening? When T pointing to the first node, I equal to 1, we are checking 1 equal to the position is a 2. So this is not the node that we want. So what we have to do means I have to increment the T. So T will move to this node, by the time is I also will move to what? This time. So I equal to what? 2 now. Okay, T, when T pointing to here, the I will also will get incremented. So it will point to 1 here. So in the next iteration t not equal to null. Now we are checking that tth node is a second node. So that corresponding I is going to be compared with what the position. So I equal to b. So that is our input is a 2 equal to. So that we want. So this is a node we want to what return. So here that value data field have to be copied to that x. So x equal to that x equal to output variable have to be filled with t of data. Okay. We are not going to delete that node. Just what that operation is element at. I need to return only that element value. So here we should not what delete that element. Only we have to what give the element at what the position like this. So that x equal to what t of the data. Then return true. Okay, and then end of this function. This I have to what complete here. Okay, so here within that loop, okay, the I may reach that p. Okay, the p validation is already we have done in the initially. If it is an invalid means here itself what it will return the false. Otherwise it will execute the code here. It will return that true. One we reached that I reached that p position corresponding, so it will reach that 2. So that the x will receive the 10. Okay. Just we are starting searching from the first node. Okay, so that we are taking a temporary variable t which is pointing to what the first node. By the time we are using another variable ia which is maintaining the index of the t. Okay, so it is initialized with 1. Okay, so this loop just what this loop just executed for every node. T will be moved one by one. Okay, by the time I is also what get incremented. So that what t not equal to null, t will be moved up to what the null. Okay, t equal to t of next. By the time I will also what get incremented. In between that we have to check the index of the t. So in the index of the t is equivalent to the position. So then we have to what update that x and have to return the true. So it will return the element at. So it will not delete the particular element, just obtain the value of that particular position. The next operation is the inserting a new element at the given position. So insert at. Okay. So in the previously we discussed inserting an element at the beginning, inserting a new element at the end of the list. So here in this operation the position is given. At this position you have to what insert the new element. So to input position and then what x p is the position and then x is what the element to be inserted. Return value success or not. Okay, so the position means okay the p may be given for this given list. Consider this list, 2 elements are there. Okay, the position may be what 1 or 2 or what 3. Only that 3 possibilities. Insert at 1 means what? The new element have to be inserted as a first node. Okay, at the first position. Insert at 2 means what? That new node have to be inserted as a second node. As a second node means what? After the 5. So 1 means before the 5, 2 means after the 5, that is before the 10, and then 3 means what? Inserting a new node as a third node. Only we are having the 2 nodes. So third node means this is also what possible. So it means that the new node is going to be inserted at what last. So these are the valid input for the p for this given what list. So p may be what 1, 2 up to what the 3. Okay, if the size equal to 2 means what it may go up to what 3. If the p equal to 0 means invalid, or minus 1 means what invalid. So if you go in this side is an invalid index. If it goes beyond that 3, that is a 4 or 5 or 6, that is also what invalid. It means the p valid position is what 1, 2 and then what 3 depending on the size. If size equal to 1 means valid index p is what 1, 2, 3. So size equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to what 4. So the p will vary from what 1 to size plus 1. So these are the valid index for what? P. Correct? So that here, if the user give what 1 to size plus 1, it should what insert the element. If the user give any invalid index means what? It should not be what inserted. So that is a valid. So that have to be checked as a first one, whether that input is a valid input or not. That is the position given is a valid position or not. That have to be what checked here. That is, if P is less than 1, it's a 0 or something, okay, or if P is greater than, the P may up to what size plus 1, okay, up to what size plus 1. It may greater than what the size plus 1. It is a greater than the size plus 1, then it is an invalid. Okay, so P is greater than size plus 1. In that case also what? It is an invalid one. So we are checking if the P is less than 1 or P is greater than size plus 1. It is an invalid index. So that what? I have to return false. Okay, I have to return the false. Nothing to do. No need to create a new memory for the new node. So in input it's invalid. So return the false. Otherwise the insertion is possible. Correct? Otherwise the insertion is possible. So the first step in the insertion is what? Creating a new node. So I have to create a new node. And n equal to what? New node of. And then I need to check whether it is created or not. N equal to null. It is also what? Failed. So memory creation. That is, we cannot what? Create a new node. So that is, a memory is not available for the new node. So what? Return false. So that is also what you have to mention. After that we have to fill the new node. Fill the new node means n of data equal to, and then n of what? Next equal to. Data should be filled with x. The next should be filled with what? Null. So after the first two steps in the insertion, creation and filling, I have to what? Link the new node. For example, if the user give like a dot insert at okay a comma, that is first position is given as 1 comma, for example 15, like that. If the user give like this, okay, position is a 1 and then element to be inserted is what? 15, like that. So position is a valid position, okay, and then the new node will be created like this. Say the new node address is the 110, and then field will be filled with 15 and null. If the position is either what? 1 and 2 and then what? 3, okay, if the position is the 1, that should be what? Treated as a special one. Okay, it means that inserting a new element at the first position. First position means what? Insert first. Correct. So that code just I have to write. If the position is other than this one, I need to what? Search the corresponding position. I have to find the parent node to which I need to what? Link the new node. Okay, that we have to do the search if the p equal to 2, 3 or any other values. If p equal to 1 means no need to search the parent node to which the new node have to be linked. This is the n new node. I need to search to which parent I have to what? Create the link. Like that I have to what? Search. But in this case what? If the position is the 1 means I no need to search for the parent to which what? The n to be linked. So this is going to be a first node. I have to write the code for only the first node. So what I have to check here is, I need to check this as a special one. That is, if the position equal to 1, so that need to be what? Treated as a special one. Okay. See this, the position is the 1. Okay, 1 means what is the code? The F have to be updated. Okay, whatever the content of F have to be copied to here. So that need to be changed to what? 310. It means that this need to be what created first. Okay, if it is a null, it need to be decreated like this. And then I have to what? Create this link. That is F have to be updated with what? 110. So these two changes I have to what? Made. So 1 and then 2. And then I have to return true. That's all. Okay. So the code to be written inside that P equal to 1, position equal to 1 means that a new node next field, that is n of next, have to be filled with what? The current first. And then the current first have to be updated with what? The new node. And then I have to return. After creating this link, I have to return the true. So the case 1 is what? Treated specially. Okay, that is if it is a first node, position is a 1, so I have to what? Look like this. I have to do this. Okay, so see that after inserting that, so the content will become A the size actually what? 2, that also should get incremented to what? 3. So the code, in that code I need to do what? Before returning false, I have to increment the size also. Size plus plus. So size also should get what? Incremented. So that this also will be changed to what? 3. So this is a list after what? Inserting the 15 as the front. Okay, suppose if I call again a dot insert at, now that input is the 3 comma what? Some 25. 3 comma 25 means the new node is going to be inserted as a third node. It means that where it need to be inserted means this is 1 and 2 and what? 3. Current third node is what? The 10. Okay, it means that the 25 have to be inserted before the 10. It means after the 5. Okay, after the 5. If I want to link a new node, okay, I need the parent address. Okay, it means that after which node I have to what? Insert the new node. Okay, after which node I wanted to insert this, that is after the 5 I wanted to insert the 25. Correct? So if we want to insert a new node, here in that case the valid index is the valid. Okay, it is in between. P should be what? 1 to 4, size plus 1 4. So it is a 3 only, so valid. Next it is not, new node will be created like this. So say this is a 410, there is a new node and 25 and null, that will be copied like this. Okay, next the position is also what? Not 1. So this is not the case. Okay, the next I need to look for where it has to be linked new node. So in the diagram it is clearly what? After the 5 I wanted to insert what? The 25, or before the 10 I wanted to insert what? 25, like that. So why you are searching a node, this is a 3, just search who is the second node, because after the second node only we need to what? Insert the new node. So if the P is a 3, I need to look for who is the second node. If P is a 4, I need to look for who is the third node. If P is a 5, I need to look for who is the fourth node. So simply what I need to search here, who is the P minus first node. So I need to look for what? P minus first node first. Are you clear? So here the P minus first, P is a 3. 3 means what? 3 minus 1, 2. 2 second node is what? This one. So I need to look for what? Second node. So that I am going to do the search. I am going to find who is the P minus first node. Correct? So for the searching, as usual, what I have to do is I need to start from what? Node start T. Okay, and T equal to F. I have to start from the F. And then I have to declare an integer IA, and then I equal to what? 1. So since I need to know that index of the each node. Index of the each node here is, it is what? Actually 1, 2 and then 3. This is the index. Okay. Here we need to find who is the second node. Okay, P minus first node. So just when we are pointing the T to this node, by the time I pointing to what? 1. Whenever we are moving the T, the I also get what? Moved. Okay, so while T not equal to what? Null, it move up to what? Null node. Okay, here I need to increment the T and then T equal to T of next. I also should get what? Incremented. That is what? I plus plus. That I have to do here. Okay, so T get incremented, I get incremented like this. So the loop will get executed till what? The T equal to what? Null. So now in between I need to look for what? I need to look for the second node. Second node means what? Input is a P minus first. So I need to check the index I equivalent to what? P minus 1. So that have to be checked here. That is if I equal to that corresponding what? Node. What we are going to look. P minus what? 1. So in this case P equal to 3. It will check whether the I equal to 2 or not. Here I equal to not equal to 2. I equal to what? 1. So that it will go for the next node. I get T get incremented. So this is not that node which we are searching. So T will be moved to here and I also will be moved to what? Here. So I will be pointing to what? 2 by the time. The second iteration I equal to 2. So what? 2 equal to what? 2. P is a 3. 3 minus 1 means what? 2. So that we are getting. So we got the node. Okay. After which we are going to what? Add the new node. Now say in the diagram which links have to be created. I know that T and then what? N. T need to be linked between the, N have to be inserted between the T and what? The T of next. That is the next node. So I have to create this link first. Okay, and then I need to create this link. Just again now. So 1 and then what? 2. So don't change the order. If you are creating this link first, it means that if you are copying the 410 to this location, okay, so that is, it is replacing the existing 210. That is, we are losing the next node information. So first we have to store the next node information to the new node next. Okay, so whatever the current T next have to be copied to what? This N of next. So this link first have to be what? Created. After which what? We have to change this. So if I want to create this link first means I need to change this that is a field from null to what? 210. Okay, so what is the current T of next? This field is nothing but what? T of next. Current T of next have to be copied to what? The N of next field. So that is a step 1. So that I have to do here. That is N of next have to be T of next. So that what? The 210 will be copied to here. Okay, then I need to what? I can replace this. That should be replaced with what? The 410. N have to be copied to what? T of next. Okay, so that what? The 410 will be copied to here. Okay, 410. Okay, after that I have to increase the size and then return true. Okay, that's all. So here what is happening after inserting like this? Okay, this will get incremented to what? 4. Okay, and this will be the result. Okay, so by the time I equal to what, pointing to 1. Okay, this is the I. Okay, so t not equal to null, so here t get incremented, I get incremented. So in between we are checking p equal to I equal to p minus 1. P minus 1 means what, we are checking I equal to 4 or not. Here I is not equal to 4, move the t, move the I. Okay, so I is still not equal to what, 4, so move the t and move the I. So still I is not equal to 4, move the t and then move the I. Now I equal to what, 4. Now we are getting, so I equal to p minus 1, so this will get executed. N of next equal to t of next. N is nothing but this. N of next means what, this field, correct? N is this, N of next means this field, which is equal to t of next. T means this node, okay, 210 the node. T of next means what, this field. What is the this field content? Null. Okay, be clear. T of next field content is what, null. That is going to be copied to what, n of next. N of next means what, this field. So this will be again changed to what, null only. Okay, it means that this link will be created like this. Okay, already what, it is nulling, so replacing null with what, null only. The next t of next equal to what, n. T of next is what, this field, which is equivalent to, this is going to be replaced, which is equivalent to what, n. N value is what, 510. So this is going to replace with what, 510. So that it means that this link is going to be what, created. Then size is going to be incremented to 5 and return what, true. So that what, the 35 is linked as what, the last node. So after inserting that 35, the list will become what, 15, 5, 25, 10 and then what, 35. So that is the result. So that I have to complete this function. Okay, while loop, end of what, that function insert front. The next consider another situation. This list is an empty. Okay, list is an empty. In that case, if you are calling what, insert at of 1 comma what, some 5 like that, if you are calling. So here, since the size equal to 0, the valid index is only 1. Okay, so 1 to what, size plus 1. Size plus 1 is what, 1 only. Okay, so if we are passing any invalid index here, 2, 3, 4 or 5, here itself what, it will get terminated. Okay, here itself what, it will get what, terminated. But here what, size is insert at 1 means what, this is a valid index, size plus 1. So that in that case, the new node will be created like this. For example, this is a 110. Okay, the new node of 5 and then null will be assigned. Okay. Now here position equal to 1. It will be treated as a special one. Okay, p equal to what, 1. P equal to 1 means what, n of next equal to f. N of next is what, this field. Okay, so that is going to be what, replaced with f. F content is what, null. So null is replaced with null only. So it is created this link. And then f equal to n. F content is going to be changed to what, n. N is nothing but what, 110. So 110 is going to be copied to here. So that what, it is creating this link and this link will cut. Size plus 1, size plus 1. So that after inserting, the node will become what, only one node. So f contain the 110 and then size equal to what, 1, and it is pointing to what, the 5 and then null. This is 110. So this is the content after inserting. So now if you are calling a dot insert at 3 comma 5, 50. Okay, 3 comma 50 like that if you are calling. 3 means what, you are going to insert a 50 as a third node. But here only one node is there. So you can insert a 50 at the second node, but we cannot insert a 50 at what, the third node. So in that case, what will happen is, here itself it will be checked. P is less than 1. It is false. But here it is a true. P is greater than size plus 1. Size is equal to what, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 greater than what, 2. Condition true. So return what, false. So the insertion is not possible, like that it will say that. So here operation failed. Okay, invalid index due to what, invalid index. Okay, so this is the code for what, inserting an element at a given position. Please go through the code. Okay, try to understand that operations, okay, by tracing that algorithm yourself with some example. Okay, thank you.